Dear respected teachers and viewers, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you are hale and hearty. Dear teachers and viewers, when we work on PowerPoint slide, we need to create a table, break the table and animate the broken part separately. Today I am going to show you how to do such this works properly. So to do this works, watch the video to the end. I believe that after watching the video, you can do these works easily. Before starting the main topic, I request you to subscribe my channel, please. Let's get started. First of all, open a PowerPoint file and take a blank slide. Next, click on Insert menu and next click on Table. Then you will see table box, insert table, draw table, Excel spreadsheet. From here, create a table. Now look at the slide. I have created table. Now select the table and give animation. For animation, click on animation menu. Next click on add animation. Then you will see a box of different animations. From here you can select any animation as you like. After that, see animation has been added with the table. Now you can see it by slideshow. Now if you want to break the table, create a new table. So I have deleted the table. Now select the table. After that, on the table click right button of your mouse and click on cut option. Next click on home menu. After that click the paste down arrow. Later click on paste special. Then you will see paste special box. Now from here click on picture enhanced MetaLife and at last click on OK. Now from your keyboard press Ctrl plus Shift plus G together. Then you will see Microsoft PowerPoint box. From here click on Yes option. Now I have clicked on Yes option. Now see every cell of the table has been separated. In this way, you can separate every part of the table easily. Now you can give animation to the every part of the table separately. For this, you will have to ungroup every part of the table. If you want to ungroup the table, select the table first and click on the right button of the mouse. Then you will go to group. Next, go to ungroup and click on ungroup. Now see, every part of the table has been ungrouped. Now select any part that you want and give animation. At last, do slideshow and see whether it right or not. Now I am going to give animation. After animation, do slideshow and see whether it right or not. So my dear teachers and viewers, in this way you can separate the every part of the table and can give animation. So my dear respected teachers and viewers, if you subscribe my channel, thank a lot. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.